nice. Now we hide. Will your tongue still remember the taste of my lips? My lips, my lips, my lips. Will your shadow remember?
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Slash BC Remember Meetup Episode 5. BC, that's next app. GG. How? God likes to punish me for mundane things. Oh yeah, I'm just now realizing I'm not even low enough to find gold in this cave, which I was kind of hoping on. Hopefully that other section that I didn't explore has deeper sections to explore. Oh, I don't like the sounds of this. Okay. I don't know if I just... Here we go, finally something. Oh, no, it doesn't even go much deeper. Oh, here. Maybe this is something. Doesn't look like it, honestly. Okay. I'm just checking this area out. Nope. Okay. Please give me something, anything. Here's some coal. I'm gonna need some more coal because I need more torches. People can't see anything. Did I just see gold? Nope, that's iron. It's like at a glimpse. Like when you see it too fast, my iron looks like gold, and that's very, you know, unfortunate. I'm also on the lowest health in the game. Alrighty. Okay. I'm not finding anything. This is like upsetting, really. I just want to find something, anything really, that can like give me some level, some semblance of an upper hand in this game. Because I am so screwed right now, and I don't want to use the monument, or not the monuments, the domains, because I don't need people to know exactly where I am. And also I don't want to bother with recaving. And I keep on rushing into mobs, so like, stupidly, I guess. Keeps on biting me in the rear. Okay, I need to go west, I think. I have a good sense of direction. I don't know why, or I claim I have a good sense of direction, so I don't know why I just lost track of the direction west. Oh, okay, this actually is going somewhere, even if it doesn't take me. Oh god. It is raining, my dudes. Yeah, we're gonna manually need to enable perma in the last episode. Okay. Anyways, let's keep on going down. Vinyl's on 78, Micros on 41. Micros is probably fighting. I'm on 42. I just need to heal. Simple as that. Let's see. Penguin on 93. Cody's on 93, but I'm not worried about that. Austin and Bradsy are lower than need be. Currently, in terms of winner prediction, just looking at tab, I'd maybe guess Jacob. Or Logs. I don't know. Logs is not on fantastic health. Okay. Hopefully that's lava I hear. Okay. Ooh, 500 neg 500, so I don't need to worry about Vinyl being on my tail. I mean, not that I think he still was, but like if he was in the vicinity, I would be a little worried about it, but I'm not. Okay, so the closer we get to the episode, the more I worry. I mean, at this point I've kind of given up hopes that, maybe, kind of given up hopes that I'm going to get enchanted, or at least get like well enchanted, because I definitely think I can get enchanted if I like find diamonds for it. Just get lucky. I mean, I don't know if I'll get lucky enough, but I definitely think I can get enchanted at least. But what I don't think I can do is get like, you know, power 4, obviously. I mean, I can get I thought I heard water, but I did not, unfortunately. Unless, oh my goodness. Oh, thank God. Joke's on them, I don't have a cave. Um, okay. Anyways, yeah, the amount of people that ask these questions multiple times is like a little obnoxious. I mean, I understand because it's like you're not going to pay attention to chat all the time, and I don't pay attention to chat all the time. There's just a little hiccup of server lag. We'll be fine. Yeah, okay, there we go. It's all, or it's not. I don't want to. Just a little hiccup of server lag. As I just said, I don't know why I just, yeah. Okay, it seems like it's back to normal now. What was I even going on about? I don't even remember what I was going on about like a second ago. Yeah, well, I've completely forgotten what I was just talking about like 30 seconds ago because I kind of phased out. Anyways, yeah, if I've got any hopes of like doing anything, it's maybe gonna be finding like something as I dig down here. I see my seed counter was going up there as I look down. I mean, like the default seems to be 5, and I don't really understand why. So whenever I see like 7 or 8, then I feel like there's like something maybe in that direction, which is strange because it's really only 3 extra numbers. I mean, what? It's now at 5, so really I don't know if I've got anything. Okay. Okay, I gotta keep on going. Maybe I'll find something. Yeah, my C counter just, it keeps on kind of like spiking up a little and then going down. I am going to check when I get to Y11 all directions, see if there's anything. There's 10 in this direction, 3, 6, 9. I'll strip mine a little in this, see if there's like anything in this direction. Okay, no. Yeah, there's not gonna be anything in that direction, I don't think. I just gotta keep on roller coastering, unfortunately, because I don't. Oh, huh. Hopefully that's not. Oh, good night, Micris. GG. Freaky, 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 freakster. Oh God, Jesus Christ, that scared me to Christ. Oh Lord, I'm at 57 again. Oh my goodness, I heal up and then. Okay. I'm gonna keep on going up, I guess, yeah. C counter is not improving. Yeah, anyways, this meetup is already looking to be much smaller. It's definitely been a short season, it's felt, and I mean, that's just because of the lack of one episode, but I mean, still, just a general thing, like... Okay, there's 9 sea counter. I feel like I shouldn't be like abusing it because I said not to, but I don't even know if I'd consider this abusing. It kind of also depends on the situation you're in. I mean, like, if you're going to use sea counter to like desperately find a cave when you're already geared, that's a little different from using sea counter because you are like barely scraping by. But I mean, in fairness, I'm an organizer. I should be very exemplary of the rules. I should personify the etiquette that I want people to have. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Okay, here, water. That's good. I'm gonna be completely honest. I've given up on using the heat hunger game mode, at least for me, because oh, I just saw where that is. Well, that's great. I'll try not to operate knowing the information I have. I was going to dig in this direction anyways, the north, so I'll do that before I consider any other direction, because maybe I'll find something else. Maybe that lava pool doesn't link up that I just saw through a chunk. But yeah, I do hear something, so yeah, there's a lot of sea counter in this direction, so I found something. Hopefully it has not been completely rated for everything that it contains. I do hear this more in this. Yeah, here we go. And from the looks of it, this has been looted, unfortunately. I don't know how much of it has been looted, though, so for all I know, it's only been touched a little. Okay. Yeah, I don't like it when Logs does, yeah, I don't think that we need to worry about that. Oh, shoot. I'm at 69 health now. It's not ideal. I also don't, it's not nice that this cave has been explored. I really don't appreciate that at whoever explored this cave. I mean, not that I expect you to light it up with torches for me, but just, you know, you really gotta give the cave a feeling, like, you know, you own this cave. Not like a, sort of just like a little mark that you've been here, you know? You can't just leave a little bit of cobble everywhere. Come on, buddy. I'm disappointed, but I'm not mad. But I'm disappointed. I'm very disappointed. Quite honestly, I'm a little more than disappointed, but that's a whole nother issue. Wow, this person really cleaned house on this one, didn't they? Oh, it seems like there was maybe even a fight here, because they really placed some blocks. Cody just went and claimed all 4 domains. I absolutely... Yup, there we go. Called it. Alright, well... Nothing here, unfortunately. Five minutes left in episode 4. Boys, the final showdown's about to happen. I think my best chance right now is literally going to be spending the next 4 minutes doing this. It sounds stupid, but I have gotten diamonds in 2 recorded rounds doing this, and I mean, what am I supposed to do? I have nothing. I have nothing left. This is all. I am but a poor farmer. I have the bare bones, my family's bare bones, my culture, my life, my sadnesses, my fears, my tragedies, my lives. Okay. Oh, GG. The stink, the stink, the stink. Really hoping for anything here, but it's not looking like I'm gonna get that lucky, so yeah, I might just have to play how I claim I try to play meetups and don't, which is I try to do that thing, you know, where you play smart and you pick your fights, except I don't do that. I just end up dying, usually. Sometimes I don't. It's a little bit of a variable issue. Oh, this looks like it goes a little further. I'm gonna really be sad if this, like, actually has... Oh my goodness. This is like a full lava pool that's unexplored. And you know what? I don't see any diamonds or any gold. I don't see any signs of diamonds or gold. I see redstone. Okay. Oh my goodness. The uptimer's gonna go off in a second. I will explore the rest of this little, if there is anything behind this, should the episode go on, but I mean, just generally. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness. No. This is my life. This is what I've been doomed to. I've been doomed to find 24 gold in an entire season one. No, it's not even 24, it's 16. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, it's been a pleasure to know you guys. Maybe I'll find something on the way up here. This is not ideal circumstances to be going up to the surface with. I have a feeling some people are going to have a lot of healing, and there's going to be people like me. I cry. I cry many tears. I get very sad. Maybe the torches will help me, though. Maybe I'll live because of them. I keep on getting concerned that I'm going to accidentally throw a pearl or something. 5 starts. Okay. Jacob hasn't taken damage. I'm like actually worried he's gonna be a dominant predator in this meetup. Oh shoot, didn't even place the torch. Watch, gravel will fall on me. Okay, well it didn't, but it's always when you don't use torches that the gravel falls on you, and then it's very, very rarely that the gravel does fall on you. That, like, enough to make you kind of appreciate that you use torches, but like to block it up, but not enough that it like really makes you, you know, commit to the full life of always using torches. It's more of a laziness thing. Oh wow, okay, that was in this direction. Alright, well, literally any second it should be turning the episode timer, like any second. So yeah, whenever that happens, I'll see you guys next time. If I even have any guys to have watch me next time, as Floozemaker always says, my single solitary viewer. I'm going to try and loot swipe whatever's left of that A-Rich death pile. Hopefully it's not like Ed00 and it's more like in a chill location, a quaint, nice locale that is in a general vicinity that happens to be near 00, but not quite at 00. Anyways, yeah, we'll have to see what happens. Yeah, 0 left. Okay, well, that's the end of the episode. Goodbye.